How to download gcam on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Open your any browser and type here gcam, then go to this website, and here you can see the download now. Press on download now and Google Chrome. Just download for Samsung phone. Press on download for Samsung phone. Then here you can see the lot of version. So the latest version is this one. So this is the latest one, 8.8222 on 0. So this is the download link. Download anyway, and once download complete, wait a couple of seconds to complete the download. Once download complete, press on open. It's download file again. Once download complete, now open and press on install. And you need to disable your auto block. Go to your setting and security and privacy. Then here you can say the auto block. Just disable your auto block. It's not a big issue. This file is totally safe, so don't worry about that. Then press on install, then press on open. Now once you press on open, then you can easily access your gcam on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you go back, then you can see your camera is available here. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.